Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, right now it's 7 o'clock in the morning and I am here right in front of you. There is a BDA property very close to Hennur Main Road, nearly about, I can say 500 meters from International Airport, Hennur right now. I am standing on and this is a 3040 right in front of you. मैं डायमेंशंस दिखा देता हूँ इधर आपको. आई ट्राई टू पुट अ प्रॉपर डायमेंशन. होप यू वुड लाइक इट. दिस इज़ 3040. तो मार्किंग अभी जो मैंने आपको दिखाया, दिस इज़ 3040 एंड इट्स अ प्रॉपर एसफल्टेड रोड. Recently, nearly about 10 days back, in this PTA layout, there was a tar road being laid, and it is a double tar road. Matlab, there are two layers of tar road on this layout, done very beautifully. So the prices have really gone up over here in this location. So there's not many houses over here. ज़्यादा दुकानें वगैरह कहीं नहीं है. It's nearly about 200-300 meters away or 400 meters away you will get everything. So this is a plot right in front of you. This is a 3040 BDA property, and in this condition right now the prices are nearly about 12,000 to 14,000 rupees depending on the facing and location, and lots of apartment projects and houses have already started coming up. So this is 4 to 500 meters from International Airport Road, and in the same road little further there is a 2030 plot for sale which is only 66 lakhs. So nearly about 12,500 per square feet is for this 3040 which you just looked at, and little further on the same road there is a 2030 plot for sale BDA property only for 66 lakhs. उसका तो मैंने वीडियो नहीं शूट किया अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए. काफ़ी देर हो जाएगी मेरे लिए बिकॉज आई नीड टू इवन एडिट एंड post this property for you. So it is 2030 plot for sale for 66 lakhs, and this is a 3040 plot for sale for the price of 12,500 rupees per square feet. तो गाइस चलते हैं अब नई लोकेशन पे जहाँ पे मैं आपको एक रेंटल इनकम प्रॉपर्टी दिखाऊंगा. दिस इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू क्रिस्तु जयंती कॉलेज. सो राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू दिस इज़ क्रिस्तु जयंती कॉलेज लोकेशन, एंड दिस rental income property is located in a very busy, very developed area. So this is Christu Jayanti College Road, and from this college it's hardly about 700 to 800 meters and you will get a beautiful rental income property. You will be amazed to know what is the price. So price जानने के लिए and complete details जानने के लिए stay in the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe right now. So guys, this is a beautiful location. This is a junction where the property is very close by. This is a 4-road junction. One road goes to Tarisandra, one road goes to Hennur, and one road goes to Bharatiya City, and the property is very very close to Christu Jayanti College on Hennur Road. So guys, I'm going to explain you everything about this rental income building, a happening property I can say, built on 3040. एंड कावेरी वाटर इसमें आ रहा है या नहीं, कावेरी का पानी इसमें आ रहा है या नहीं, ये जानने के लिए वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहिए. सो जस्ट लेट्स लुक एट द प्रॉपर्टी. आई एम इनसाइड द प्रॉपर्टी राइट नाउ. हम जल्दी से फर्स्ट फ्लोर चलते हैं और वहाँ पे देखते हैं कि वहाँ पे क्या क्या है, और वहाँ पे मैं आपको सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ कि वाई दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज़ बेस्ट अफोर्डेबल प्रॉपर्टी, अ रेंटल इनकम प्रॉपर्टी for sale in Bangalore. So this is a teakwood, a good quality teakwood main door, and also the frame complete teakwood, and the hardwares and all the other materials given by the builder is really really commendable. So basically मैंने काफ़ी सारे buildings इस builder के बेच दिए हैं already, and till today I've never got any, I've never experienced any kind of complaints from any buyers. So currently I'm in a ground floor, and this, how many bedrooms is this, everything I'm going to explain when we go to the first floor. So totally in coming next 3 months the complete building is going to be handed over to you, and at the moment 70 to 80% work is over. So right now I'm in the first floor. So I request you to make a note of all the bedrooms that you're looking at. So in the end of the video I'm going to tell you that how many units and how many bedrooms in each units. Everything I'm going to explain you, and also I'm going to tell you that why this property is most affordable rental income building for sale in Bangalore. So right now I'm in the first floor, and this is quite large living though, and this is how we entered, and just next to the living room there I can see one bedroom. तो गाइज वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहिए, क्योंकि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ अ यूनिक रेंटल इनकम प्रॉपर्टी मैं कह सकता हूँ. इस बिल्डिंग को कंपेयर करके आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि हाउ मच यू आर saving over here. So Christu Jayanti College is one of the biggest landmark close to this property, and also Manyata Tech Park is about 2.5 to 3 kilometers from here. And the 4-road junction that you looked at, that junction is called Narayanpura Cross. So right now I'm in one of the bedroom, and this is nearly 10 feet high ceiling in the toilet, the attached toilet in one of the bedroom. Quite a good ventilation I can see, and this is quite spacious bedroom as well. So एक toilet तो हमको दिख ही गया. This is an attached toilet, and this is how we entered the bedroom. This is the main door, and just behind the main door I can see this is a common toilet with 10 feet height ceiling, and on the left hand side I can see a huge spacious second bedroom and quite a big window as well. तो guys इसमें अभी तक फ़िलहाल हमने 2 bedroom देख लिए, and after this we are going to look at the 3rd bedroom, and this has a French window as well with the balcony. And outer elevation से मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा how this balcony looks like. और इस property में there is a illustration also given how the building looks like आफ्टर दी कंप्लीशन. तो एक इलिस्ट्रेशन बिल्डर ने दिया हुआ है, वो मैं आपको ज़रूर शेयर करूँगा. एंड आई एम इन यूटिलिटी, एंड दिस इज़ अ सेफ्टी ग्रिल्स गिवन बाय द बिल्डर. So you can see that the safety grills is given already. So safety wise everything is going well in the property, and this is a kitchen. तो काफ़ी काम है इसमें, फ़िलहाल 2 से 3 महीने का काम बाकी है इसमें. Otherwise everything is in place. So this is the main door, a complete teakwood door on the first floor. So let's look at the terrace area, and this is the colony, a beautiful populated colony with brand new buildings all over I can see. और यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर मैं देख रहा हूँ all the buildings are nearly about 3 floors, 4 floors, and the cost of those buildings are going to be nearly 3 crore rupees. So this building is brand new rental income building for sale and coming in much more affordable price for you. And if you want to raise this, and if you want to go with 2 more floors in the building, you can definitely go, because this is a pillar construction. So you can easily go with 2 more floors in future if you require, and you can also stay in one of the floor if you wish to stay. So this is a parking area. I'm in the ground floor right now, and you can see BBMP vehicle right on my right hand side. I'm on the road, and I'm looking at this beautiful layout, and the price in this area, in this particular area, the price of a plot is going on 13,000 rupees per square feet right now. So guys, on this road there's another प्लॉट फॉर सेल एज वेल. तो इसलिए मुझे प्राइस मालूम है. यहाँ पे 13,000 रुपीज़ एट द मोमेंट प्राइस चल रहा है. सो दिस इज़ अ ब्रांड न्यू बिल्डिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, अ रेंटल इनकम बिल्डिंग फॉर सेल. इसका प्राइस मैं जल्दी आपको बताऊंगा, एंड आई विल टेल यू दैट व्हाई दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज़ सो अफोर्डेबल एंड अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी टू इन्वेस्ट in at the moment in Bangalore. The scenario, looking at what the building prices are going on, any builder for that matter, if he constructs any building, he will definitely construct ground plus 3 or 4. So there are hardly any buildings available ground plus 1 for sale, that to a brand new building in Bangalore at the moment. I've done a lot of survey and I've not got any building which is only ground and first floor for sale. So there are hardly any buildings available as such, because most of the buildings today, any builder is constructing and selling, that would be ground plus 3 or 4, and cost of those buildings would come up to 3.5 cr today. And right now, today, I have a building right in front of you, which is ground and first only, 2 BHK on the ground floor and 3 BHK on the first floor. And this is on 3040. So if you calculate 13,000 rupees per square feet, the cost would come up to 1 crore 56 lakhs. So 1 crore 56 lakhs, that is for 30, 40, 1200 square feet. The plot cost would come up to 1 crore 56 lakhs. So this is the illustration right in front of you. So this is how the villa is going to look like. So only in 1 crore 95 lakhs, the builder is going to give you a villa type look. Right in front of you, you can see the illustration. The illustration is completely of a villa. This is how it's going to look at the end of the construction, and the builder is quoting, the owner is quoting 1 crore 95 lakhs. So the construction value will fall only 39 lakh rupees for you, apart from the plot cost. So the building value would only be 39 lakh rupees plus 1 crore 56 lakhs. That would come up to total 1 crore 95 lakhs for a ground plus first rental income building for sale in Bangalore. So guys, this property is only for those people who cannot afford to go for 3 crores or 4 crores having 4 floors, 5 floors. So this is a simple property, beautiful villa type look the building has, and this is an Bikhata DC converted property, north facing with Kaveri water, and I guarantee you that there is hardly any building which is only selling ground plus first with Kaveri water, and this is a north facing as well. So guys, this is a simple rental income property for sale, and the construction cost of this is only 39 lakh rupees. So guys, this property is ready for registration. Immediately call me, my number is in the description. Thank you so much for watching till here. मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए don't forget to like, share and subscribe.